within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Good morning. So don't sit. All together we'll do the warm-up activity too. And then we'll sit. Ready? Jog, jog. Jog, jog, jog. Jump, jump, jump. Cycling, come on. Jump. Jump, Arya, jump. Yes. So relax. All of you, rush and drink a glass of water. Then come back to places.
Ma'am, can you see our video, ma'am?
Hitesh, yes, I can see.
Oh, I can't see any other kids' video.
That may be because of
Only
the
you
signal
are.
issue, ma'am. Sometimes this same issue I do faces.
Okay, okay. Ma'am.
Well, yes, yes. In some time it will be all right, rectified.
Okay, ma'am.
So I think you all are ready. We'll do our attendance. Okay. Answer for your attendance, children. Sai Shivanya.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good. Santosh. Santosh. Santosh.
1 minute, ma'am. He's coming.
Okay. So Pranav. What to say? Yes. Yes. Here I am. Barni, Arya Barnidharan. Arya Barnidharan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Here I am. Very good. Sai Priyan. Very good. Manasa, Jacinta, Prisha. Very good. Seshan. Very good. Hitashri. Mute, dear. You're in mute. Yes. Hitashri.
One more.
Very good. Nidulan. Rutvik. Very good. Super. Santosh, are you back? Okay. We'll start. Till A lower, small letters are we are learning, right? Today we're going to learn the next letter, that is till D we have completed in small letters. Till A, B, C, D we have completed. Today with the next letter, that is small letter R, lowercase e. I'll tell you first how to write it. You look at it, then we'll do in the worksheet. Give me a moment. So we all know this is our small letter A, small letter B, small letter C, small letter D, right? So today we're going to learn the next letter. So what comes after D? What comes after D, children? What comes? E, right? So E will come. That is in the small letter. Yes? So I'll tell you how to write this E first. Listen to it. Listen to it. So for lowercase e or small letter e, first put one sleeping line there. Sleeping line. So from the end point of that sleeping line, from the end point of where you're stopping, no, that point, start putting a curve. Start putting a C pattern or right curve like this. The curve has to touch both the ends of the sleeping line. You finish the curve till here. So you will get your small letter E. Small letter E. Again, I will tell you how to write one more time. See? Sleeping line. First, from the point where you stop the sleeping line, where you end the sleeping line, start putting a right curve or C pattern. Okay? So yes, curve. Till here you will extend the curve, right? So you will get your lowercase e. One more thing is the curve has to touch both the ends of starting point and the end point of the sleeping line. You will get your lowercase or small letter e. Can you all write this small letter e for one time in your slates? Then we'll do our now worksheet. Yes? Take your slates. Write this lowercase or small letter c one time. And then we'll move to the next. Small letter E. One sleeping line. Aya, you writing? I want everybody to write. Come on. One sleeping line. First put sleeping line, dears. First put sleeping line. Don't get confused. Sleeping line. Then where you stop your sleeping line, no, from there, put one right curve. Yes. Very good, Hitesh. Yes, from there. Super. Curve. Yes, very good. So you will get your lowercase or small e. Very good, Nidulan. So write it one more time. One sleeping line. From the point where you stop the sleeping line, where you end the sleeping line, put the curve. Start putting the curve. Okay? Yes? Very good. Alright? You have still any doubts with E? Put one sleeping line. From the end point of that sleeping line, start putting the right curve. Right curve. Okay, you will get your E. Very good, Hiteshri. Very good, Nidul. And very good, Sai Shivanya. Superb. Yes, very good, everybody. So have you all completed? Shall we start? Yes, very good, Srishant, Manasa, Saran, Pranav, all very good. Okay. So now shall we write the same small letter E in the worksheet? Yes, will do. Take your literacy worksheet. I'll tell the page number. Give me a moment. Day 14 literacy worksheet, LT worksheet. Day 14. So before that, what is today's date, children? What is today's date? I forgot to ask you in the start itself. What is today's date? Can anybody tell me what is today's date? Arya, what is today's date, dear?
Date என்ன சொல்லு அங்க போடு 26 என்னது
2620.
20
26.
Very good. So today's date is 26. Risha, what is the current month?
July.
July. Yes, very good. July have not ended still. So 4 more days are there to end with July. Okay. So next, who will? Pranav, what is the current year? Pranav? 2021. Exactly. So then, super. So what? Dot. July is the 7th month, right? January, February, March, April, May, June. So 26.7 dot and the current year is 2020. Yes. So what has given, what picture has given over there? What are you seeing in the picture, in the page?
Egg.
Hey, yes, Jacinta, day 14, dear. Day 14, LT worksheet. And you are in the landscape mode. Turn your camera. Turn your camera accordingly. So it's an egg, right? Egg. What is the phonic song for egg? Egg. Egg. Crack the egg like this. Right? So E for egg. E for egg. So that is why the egg has given over there. Okay, write it there. So I will also join with you. So then from the point, from the end point or from the point where you stop, and one second. From there, put one right curve. So you will get your small letter E. Now we'll write that E in the 4 lines. So this E is, this small letter E is comes in between the second and third line. Can you all see? In all the 4 lines, it comes only in between the second and third line, right? So write it here. One sleeping line and one. is our yes, ma'am, I've completed here. Have you all completed it? Very good, Manasa. So fill your name too. Those who have completed, fill your names and date. Yes, Seshan. You have completed it? Then? Yes, very good. Fill the date and the name in the space given for it. Okay? So I think all have completed. Now, one small activity. Everybody rush. Go and find any object that starts with the letter E or starts with the sound E. E. I want yourself to go and find it. Okay? Don't ask your parents to get it. You find it.
Emblem.
Say louder.
Emblem.
Emblem. Very good.
அடுத்து காமி
Emblem.
மேம்க்கு.
MPML.
சொல்லு மேம் கிட்ட X for E for.
A for
E for.
E for egg.
So you have to tell me what it is. Okay? You have to name your object.
இத காமிச்சு சொல்லாரியா எங்க இருக்கு பாரு சொல்லு.
Look, egg. Look, Mom. Egg.
மேம்க்கு கனெக்ஷன் போயிடுச்சு.
Mom, look.
What is that?
Rubber. E for rubber. E for rubber. Mana. E for eraser. Is it?
Eraser. E for eraser. Very good.
Me either, huh?
Egg. Stop right there. E for eggplant.
Krishan, be
Yeah,
careful with the
correct.
egg here. It may break. Be careful. Very good. Then you all found an object that starts from letter E or the sound A, right? Yes, what is that, Jacinta?
Elephant.
Elephant. Arya, what have you brought?
Coming.
I brought egg.
A for egg. Very good. Rutvik.
You
A or E. Yes. Yes. Rutvik, what have you brought?
E for elephant.
Ma'am ta kami. Ma'am sollu.
Ma'am.
Ah,
Elephant.
E for elephant. Very good, Santosh. Yes. Jacinta said. Hiteshri. Hiteshri, what have you brought? Egg. Very good. Manasa, eraser, right? So next, Prisha, what have you brought?
Eggplant.
Egg. Very good. Egg. Right? Come again, Prisha.
Say it again.
Eggplant.
Okay, very good. So next is Cyprian. What have you brought?
இது
Eggplant.
this one.
Egg. Egg, right? Sai Shivanya.
Emblem.
சொல்லு.
Louder.
Emblem.
Emblem. Very good. Pranav.
Yeah.
Louder.
Elephant.
சத்தமா சொல்லணும்.
Elephant.
Okay, very good. Nidulan.
Elephant.
What?
சொல்லுங்க.
Elephant.
Come again, Nidulan. Okay, elephant. So yes. E for
Elephant.
egg, elephant, everything, right? A is the sound of letter E. So how to write letter? That is small letter E is one sleeping line and one right curve. Okay, dear? Very good. Now keep this literacy worksheet, the LT worksheet aside. Next we'll move to empty. Empty. Okay? Empty. Let's share that. 1 minute. So till which number we have completed? Day 13 empty. Day 13 empty worksheet. So till 13, number 13 we have completed. No, group of 10 pencils plus 3 pencils we have counted. So 13. Today the next number. What comes after 13? What comes after 13, Hiteshri?
14.
Yes.
14.
14. Very good. We all know how to write number 1 and also number 4. So writing number 1 and 4 together is 14. Okay? 14. So let's count how many balloons are here. First count the first set. Then we'll move to the individuals over here. First count this set. How many balloons are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this set has again 10 number of balloons. So group of 10 balloons. So if we add 4, so how many individual balloons have given here? Count that too. So here one set has 10 balloons first. After that, how many individual balloons? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? So after 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Right? 4 fingers. 11, 12, 13, and 14. 10 plus 4 is 14. Okay? 14. After 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. Right? So 14. Number 14 that we are learning today. Number 14 for number 14, 1 and 4. Writing number 1 and 4 together is 14. Okay, start writing in the given space for it, dears. Come on. So I will also write. Let's see who will complete it first. Me or you? Come on. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1 and 4, 14. So completed. If anybody have completed it already, please let me know. Okay. So I'll come. I'll complete it and come. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Oh, wow. Finally, I've completed. So then fill the date here, dears. What is the date, ma'am said? No? 26. 26 dot 7 dot 20 21. Okay, 26.7.2021. So have you all completed?
Yes,
Ma'am, I've completed it. Yes, yes, write it, write it. Very good, Sai Shivanya. Super, dear. Very good. Super. Santosh, are you writing it, dear?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. He's writing.
Okay.
கேக்குறாங்க பாரு.
Come on, write it. All my friends are writing. Good to join. Prisha, I've completed it then. Very good, Prisha.
thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Session. Then, very good, Session. Arya, wow, Arya too completed. Very good, Arya. Yes, Manasa, very good. Very good. So, sometime wait for our friends also to complete theirs. Okay? So, yes. Count those balloons and understand how the number 14 is coming by adding 4 to the group of 10. Count it. Those who have completed. Till our friends complete. Yes, very good, Pranav. Super, dear. Yes. Sai Shivanya, come dear. Ritvik, you can write numbers from 1, 2, 3 till which number you know? You write it there. At least 3 numbers. 1, 2, 3. Hiteshri, have you completed? Right. I can see all of you are writing. 1, 4, 14. Right? 1, 4, 14. So, have you all completed theirs? Shall we move to the next thing? Yes? 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. Very good. Yes, very good, Sishant. You have completed that too. Super. Very good, Nidulan. Super with Nidulan. Very good, Hiteshri. Yes, very good. I see many of you have completed it, right? Manasa, you have completed it already, right? Manasa?
Santosh ma'am.
Santosh done? Very good, Santosh. Very good, Santosh. Yes, very good, Manasa.
Ma'am chole.
Jacinta done? Welcome. Jacinta, have you completed? Jacinta and Cyprian?
Finish, ma'am.
Yes. Very good, Jacinta. Cyprian, no problem. All our friends have completed. You can complete it after the class overs. Okay? So stop till where you have completed. So close your notebooks and keep it aside. All your worksheets, close it and keep it aside. Okay? Next is concept. Today we are going to learn a new concept called my home. My home. Session, you've forgotten. Hygiene. Okay? So yes, are you all following all the hygienic habits and the oral hygiene, children? Yes or no? Parents, tell me whether are they following it or not?
Yes,
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, hope you all are following it, right? So once you started following those things, no, then only you'll become a good girl, a good boy. In general, good children. If not, no, bad boy, bad girl. So you must follow all the hygienic habits. Okay, dears? Yes? Show me a thumbs up. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Yes? Today, the next. So in the last class, we had learned golden words, right? Some of the golden words we had learned. Thank you, welcome, sorry, please, excuse me, and may I. These are all the golden words we had learned. And today, we are going to learn a new concept called my home. My home. What is there? What is there to learn in my home is you're going to learn about the rooms. Okay. So where are you people sleeping? In which room? In which room are you all sleeping, children? Bedroom, right? Bedroom. So where your mama will cook food for you? Where your mama will cook food for you? In which room? Kitchen. Kitchen. Very good. So mama done. Mama cooked the food. Mama, okay? Your mom cooked the food. So now where will you sit and eat that? In which room? Yes, dining room. Dining room. Santosh, come on, sit in your place. Arya, dear, sit in your place. Okay, so you will eat the food in the dining room where you keep your dining table too. Okay, so next is where will you take bath? Where will you take bath? Bathroom. So yes, where will you keep your TV? Where is your TV in your house? In which room your TV is there? Hall or living room. Hall or living room. Okay, so ma'am is going to play a video. Listen to it. Can you all see this? Yes? Please confirm.
Ma'am.
Yes, dear.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I go to washroom? Is it?
Can I water?
Hello.
Yeah, okay. You want to drink water? You can. Yes. You can drink water, dear. Yes, listen to
We
this
will learn
video.
about my home. Our home has various parts. Today we will learn about different parts of our home. That is various rooms of our home. Let's get started.
So, what room is this, children? Can you all tell me what room is this? Living room. Living room is where we keep our Yes, living room is where we keep our TV, television, a couch. Okay, when somebody comes to our home, like guest or our relatives, will make them sit in our living room and we'll talk to them. Right? Yes, this is our living room.
This is living room or
Living room, and also we can call it as hall. Okay, actual name is living room.
drawing room. We also call it as hall. Living room has television and furniture.
Furnitures, any type of
So
furniture
this
to
is
sit and talk.
Living room.
Next is, what room is this? Can you all recognize?
Bedroom.
Yes. Superb. How you people are telling that it is a bedroom? Huh? How are you all telling that it is a bedroom?
There's a bed.
Because
There's a bed.
yes, because the bed is there, right? Because the bed is there. So we will keep our bed, right? Bed in our bedroom, and the wardrobe, clothes wardrobe in the bedroom, right?
This is bedroom. Here we have our bed. We used to sleep in the bedroom. So this one is
Bedroom.
Next is, what is this? Here we have dining table. Then what room is this?
Dining
Exactly. Yes, so this is our dining room. Here is where we keep all the food that mama has cooked and eat, right? Yes.
this one is dining room. We have our food on the dining table and we sit in the dining room and have our food. This one is
Dining room.
What is this?
Kitchen.
Kitchen. You all are right. Kitchen. Why? Because we are having all the utensils, stoves, ovens, fridges, all the cooking things in this room. So that then it is kitchen. Kitchen. Here is where Mama cooks. Mom cooks food for as healthy and tasty foods, right? Healthy and tasty food. The mama cook the food here, no, that makes us healthy, stronger. Kitchen.
this one is kitchen. We have various utensils in the kitchen. We prepare our food in the kitchen.
Utensils என்னமா பாத்திரம். Okay? Vessels.
And this is
Kitchen.
this one.
What is this?
Bathroom.
Bathroom. Exactly. Yes. The picture itself showing us that it is a bathroom. So here is where we will take bath, brush our teeth, right? Yes, use our toilet. All will be happen in the bathroom. We call this room as bathroom.
Is bathroom. We used to take bath in the bathroom. And this one is
Bathroom.
this
So, can anybody recognize what is this? Yes? One of your garage and parking. Very good, very good. Both the answers are right. Garage or car parking. We usually call it as parking, car parking, but the actual name for it is garage. Garage, okay, garage, where we park our vehicles, where we park our car or two-wheelers. Garage.
One is garage. We play
Everybody please be on mute, dear.
அது மேம் தான் வச்சிருப்பாங்க.
Please be on mute.
our
எதுக்கு
vehicles
பார்க்க போற இப்போ?
in the
கவனி
garage.
அங்க கவனி அப்புறம் பாரு. என்னடா?
Santosh, please be on mute, Santosh.
சாக்லேட் இருக்கு, சாக்லேட் சாப்பிடு. சாக்லேட் சாப்பிடு. சாக்லேட் சாப்பிட்டு பாரு.
Santosh, please be on mute, dear. Yes.
So this
Garage.
one is
Garage.
now let's play the guessing game and check out what
Yes,
we have
let's
learned.
guess it, okay? Sai Shivanya, what is the first room given here where we have the bed and all? What is the room name?
இது பேர் என்ன சவுண்டா சொல்லுங்க
Bedroom.
Very good. Next is Pranav. What is the next room given here where we take bath?
Bathroom.
Very good. Bathroom. Arya. What is this one? Third room where we keep a dining table.
வாட் இஸ் த ரூம்
Yes, it's dining room.
Exactly. It's a dining room where we sit and eat, right? Next is Cyprian. What room is this, Cyprian? Where we keep our television and our furniture?
Bedroom. Living room.
Yes. Very good. Living room. Superb. Next is Jacinta. What room is this, dear? What space is this called? Where we park our vehicles.
Bathroom.
No, dear. Where we park our vehicles.
Parking.
Parking. Okay. Usually we call it as parking. The actual name for it is garage. Okay. Garage or garage. Okay. And next is Nidulan. What room is this, Nidulan? Where is your mom cooking food for you?
Kitchen.
Very good. Kitchen. Superb.
Can you guess the living room?
So we'll see this video one last time. Then we'll do some worksheets that I have.
Our home has various parts. Today we will learn about different parts of our home. Room or
So this is our living room or hall where we keep our TV and the furniture. Furniture is nothing but couch or something like that. Okay, living room. This room is called as living room. Living room.
we also call it as hall. Living room.
So this one is our bedroom. Bedroom. Why? Because we are keeping a bed here where we can sleep. Okay, bedroom is the room where we sleep and we keep our wardrobe too.
This is bedroom. Here we have our bed on the
And
dining
the next room is this one. Dining room. Dining room where we have dining table to sit and eat food. To sit and eat food. Okay.
table.
Dining room.
We sit in the dining room and have our food.
And this is our kitchen. Kitchen where our mother cooks food for us. Healthier food for us. Kitchen. Kitchen will be having utensils, all the home appliances here. Okay. Oven, fridge kind of stuffs will be here in the kitchen. And the utensils too. Next is this one. What is this? Bathroom. Bathroom where we do bathing right? Brushing our teeth, using toilet, all will do in the bathroom.
We used to take bath in the bathroom. In the
Next is
garage.
garage. Garage is the place where we park our vehicles. The actual name for parking is garage or garage. Yes?
This was
Okay. What are all the rooms that we had learned today? Living room, bedroom, dining room, kitchen. After that, what? Bathroom and the garage. 6 places of our house we had learned today, right? So, are you all back? Yes, Jacinta, please turn on your camera, dear. I'm having a worksheet which is not there with you. Just a funny worksheet. We'll do something in that and then.
Living room.
Yes. I'll ask the question. You people have to answer for me then. Yes. 1 sec.
Garage.
What room is this? Sai Shivanya, what room is this? Others beyond you, children. I'm giving you chances every. Bedroom. Very good. Pranav, what room is this, Pranav? Where we have toilet, bathing area. Louder.
Bathroom.
Louder. Bathroom. Very good. Santosh, what room is this, Santosh? Santosh? Where we have our bed. What room is that?
Bedroom.
Bedroom. Super. Next is Arya. What room is this, Arya? Where we have our furniture. Come on.
Iduma. This one. What room is that?
Living room.
Sattama
Very good. Living room. Super. Cyprian. What room is this, Cyprian?
Kitchen.
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 Super. Kitchen. Yes. Very good. Kitchen. 1 second. I'll share another one worksheet. So yes, next is Manasa. Again to you. What room is this, Manasa? I'll tell you 1 second. What room is this, Manasa?
Living room.
No, dear, where we have our bed. Yes, bedroom. Super. Jacinta, what room is this? Jacinta? Where we take bath? No, what room is that, Jacinta?
Where we take bath. Where we take bath. சொல்லு
Louder. Where do you take bath? In your home? Yes. Bath. Very good. Bathroom. Very good, Jacinta. Prisha, what room is this, Prisha? Where our mom cook food for us?
This one.
Kitchen.
Kitchen. Very good. Session. What room is this, Session? Where we will be having our couches, our furnitures.
சொல்லு சரி சொல்லுங்க
Living room.
சவுண்டா சொல்லு
Living room.
Very good. Living room. Hiteshri, what room is this, Hiteshri? What place is this actually? Not room. What place is this?
Garage.
Garage. A garage. Very good. Nidulan, Nidhulan, one more time. What room is this, Nidhulan, where we sleep?
Bedroom.
Bedroom. Very good. Rutvik, what room is this? Where our mama cook food for us? What room is this, Rutvik?
Bedroom.
Kitchen. Super. So then you all are very well known about your house now, right? My home. My home consists of these places: living room, bedroom, living room, bedroom, then what? Kitchen, dining room, bathroom, and garage. 6 places, right? Very good. So next, it's time for us to recap the rhymes. Are you all ready? Yes? Come on. Body part rhymes. 2 little eyes to look around. 2 little ears that hear each sound. 1 little nose that smells what sweet. 1 little mouth that loves to eat. Right? One more time. 2 little eyes to look around. 2 little ears to hear each sound. 1 little nose that smells what sweet. 1 little mouth that loves to eat. Right? So next is family rhyme. My lovely family. Mommy, daddy, I love you. You love me too, and care for me too. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance, laugh and dance all through the day. Grandma, grandpa, you're so sweet. I'll give you hugs, I'll give you kisses when we meet. Right? One more time. Mommy, daddy, I love you. You love me too, and care for me too. Brother, sister, let's all play. Sing and dance, laugh and dance all through the day. Grandma, grandpa, you're so sweet. I'll give you hugs, I'll give you kisses when we meet. Right? Super. So one last thing that we have to recap what it is phonics rhymes that we do every day, right? Today too we will do it. One sec, give me a moment to leave for it. One sec.
Water.
With Byju's app, you will remember the concepts forever. Learning with interactive and engaging with the Disney Byju's Early Learn app. Download now.
One sec, dear. Yes. Letter A. Come on.
And so my own, and so my own, and so my own, they're causing me along.
Letter B.
Bring your bat and bring your ball, bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play.
C.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets.
Next is letter D.
See me play on my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a dun 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 dun. See me play on my drum.
E. Letter E.
hand. Crack the egg like this.
Next is letter F.
My friends and I went to the beach.
Rasita ma'am, you're on mute, Rasita ma'am. Unmute your mic and talk.
Sorry. I didn't notice. Sorry. Yes. So I'm having power cut here, dear. So we'll recap this Jolly Phonics tomorrow. Okay? Okay, do explore the rooms of your home in the home. Okay, we'll see you all tomorrow at the same time. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.
Bye,
Thank you.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Bye, bye. Bye.
Thank you, dears. Bye, Rutvik. Bye, Nidulan.